Hi, I'm BJ, owner of Astral Hoops, and I want to talk about one of my favorite features of the Atomic 5 Advanced Feature Hoop, and that's the designer on the phone app. So I've got a AF hoop here, and I've got the app right here. I'm going to go into the designer, and in here you have a canvas where you can draw. So if I pick some colors, draw a little smiley face. So you can draw what you want there. You can change the size. That was a pretty small drawing there, which would repeat the pattern around the hoop. If you wanted to draw something bigger, you can play with the height and the width here. And let me clear the palette. So now you can see we've got a lot more detail there. Now, besides being able to draw things, you can also load in images. So if I go to the Open folder and go to my phone's gallery, you can see I've got some images that I just went to Google image search and looked for some video game stuff and some pretty patterns, and just tons of things come up. So I just saved to my phone and you can load it in. From there you can modify it or just send it straight off to the hoop or wand. Also under the Open, you can pick camera, take pictures, and send that to your hoop or wand. And the third option is the pattern packs, which is a newer feature we have. And I think this is really great because we can post patterns on our servers, and the app connects to that, so we can constantly add new things for you to play with. Right now we have an Evoke pattern pack and a Hyperion pattern pack. The Evoke is the community gallery from our previous Evoke model hoop, and the Hyperion is the open source patterns from the Hyperion hoop. Each of these have well over 1,000 modes in them, so there's lots to play with there. So I can show you how you just go in, pick a folder, pick a design, loads it in, and you click that upload button and it sends it off to the hoop just like that. Now we've got that pattern in the hoop. It's as easy as that. There's no USB cables, there's no memory cards or hooking up to your computer or downloading drivers. You just download the app, load the image, hit the button, and you have endless possibilities of loading new custom patterns onto your hoop.